Strong visual rhythm is the hallmark of professional pattern design, and this technique will show you exactly how experts build it. How to design artistic tile patterns. Start by opening Adobe Photoshop and creating a new square document around 1800 by 1800 pixels, so you have enough space to construct repeating tile units clearly. Select the Shape tool or Brush tool and draw your main artistic element in the center, focusing on expressive lines or decorative forms that will define the tile's personality. Once the base design is ready, duplicate the layer and position copies toward each corner while holding Shift